Are you ready to turn your financial dreams into reality and join the ranks of the wealthy elite? Well, buckle up because today I've got some exciting news for you. Becoming a millionaire isn't just a far-off dream, it's a realistic goal that's within reach for almost anyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're eager to learn the secrets of going from $0 to millionaire fast, then hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on notifications by clicking the bell icon. Let's embark on an incredible journey together as we explore the simple yet powerful strategies that can help you achieve financial freedom and make your millionaire dreams a reality. Number 1, creating a plan. Starting at number 1, the first step on your journey to becoming a millionaire is creating a solid plan. As the old saying goes, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. But it's not just about having any plan, it's about having the right plan. While there are many paths to wealth, one of the most accessible and reliable strategies is consistent long-term investing. Consistently investing your money over the long term is a proven way to build wealth steadily and reliably. Unlike short-term speculation or chasing get-rich-quick schemes, long-term investing allows you to harness the power of compounding, which is the key to exponential growth. Number 2, the power of compounding. Moving on to number 2, let's delve into the remarkable power of compounding. Albert Einstein famously referred to compound interest as the eighth wonder of the world, and rightfully so. Compounding enables your money to grow exponentially over time, as your investment gains generate additional gains. By consistently saving and investing your money for the long term, you can harness the force of compounding to multiply your wealth manifold. This means that even modest contributions can snowball into significant sums over time, thanks to the magical effects of compounding. Whether you're starting with a small amount or a substantial sum, compounding works. It's magic for all investors who remain committed to their long-term financial objectives. Number 3, the importance of patience, persistence, and perspective. At number 3, let's underscore the essential qualities required for success on the path to millionaire status: patience, persistence, and perspective. Building wealth is a journey that demands time and steadfast commitment. Patience is crucial, as it enables you to adhere to your financial plan, even during challenging times. Persistence is equally vital, as setbacks and obstacles are inevitable along the way. By maintaining unwavering persistence and continuing to strive towards your goals, you can surmount challenges and progress steadily towards financial success. Moreover, maintaining a long-term perspective allows you to remain focused on your ultimate objectives, enabling you to navigate through short-term fluctuations with confidence and resilience. These qualities serve as the cornerstone of a successful wealth-building strategy, guiding you towards achieving your millionaire aspirations. Number 4, starting early and valuing time. Number 4 on our list is the importance of starting early and valuing time. Time is a critical ingredient in the wealth-building process, as compounding works best over long periods of time. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Warren Buffett famously said that time is worth more than money, and he's right. While you can always earn more money, you can never get back lost time. That's why it's crucial to start investing as early as possible and let compounding work its magic over time. Number 5, leveraging high-quality dividend growth stocks. Transitioning to our 5th strategy, let's delve into the power of leveraging high-quality dividend growth stocks. These stocks represent a potent tool in accelerating your journey towards millionaire status. Renowned for their consistent performance, high-quality dividend growth stocks have historically outpaced the broader market over extended periods. By strategically investing in these stocks, you position yourself to benefit from both capital appreciation and steadily increasing dividend income. These dividends, when reinvested into acquiring more shares of these stocks, contribute to a compounding effect, turbocharging your overall returns. This intelligent reinvestment not only accelerates your wealth accumulation, but also fosters a self-sustaining cycle of growth. With each dividend reinvestment, your portfolio expands, generating larger returns and propelling you closer to your financial objectives. Number 6, the snowball effect of wealth building. Now let's explore the concept of the snowball effect in wealth building, our 6th strategy. Analogous to rolling a snowball downhill, the process of accumulating wealth often begins modestly but gains momentum over time. As your initial investments generate returns, these profits can be reinvested into additional assets, fueling further growth. This compounding effect perpetuates a cycle where your wealth expands exponentially with each reinvestment. Over time, the snowball grows larger and gathers momentum, resulting in accelerated wealth accumulation. By harnessing this snowball effect, you can capitalize on the power of compounding to achieve your financial aspirations more rapidly. Number 7. Consistent and long-term investing. Next up at number 7, let's emphasize the importance of consistent and long-term investing. The key to success in investing is sticking to your plan and staying disciplined over the long haul. By consistently investing a portion of your income into a diversified portfolio of assets, you can benefit from the power of compounding and achieve your financial goals over time. It's not about timing the market or trying to chase short-term gains. It's about staying the course and remaining committed to your long-term objectives. Remember, successful investing is not about making a quick buck, it's about building wealth steadily and responsibly. By investing for the long term and ignoring the noise of short-term market fluctuations, you can maximize your chances of success and achieve your financial dreams. Number 8. Avoiding get-rich-quick schemes. At number 8, let's talk about the dangers of get-rich-quick schemes. While the allure of fast money may be tempting, the reality is that most get-rich-quick schemes are nothing more than scams designed to prey on unsuspecting individuals. Instead of chasing shortcuts to wealth, focus on building a solid financial foundation through hard work, discipline, and smart investing. Remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to proven strategies and avoid falling for the traps of get-rich-quick schemes. Number 9. Financial education and continuous learning. Moving on to number 9, let's highlight the importance of financial education and continuous learning. The world of investing can be complex and ever-changing, so it's crucial to stay informed and educated about the latest developments and trends. Whether it's reading books, attending seminars, or following reputable financial experts, investing in your financial education can pay dividends in the long run. By staying informed and continuously learning, you can make informed decisions and navigate the financial markets with confidence. Number 10, taking action and staying committed. Last but not least, at number 10, let's talk about the importance of taking action and staying committed to your financial goals. It's not enough to just dream of becoming a millionaire. You need to take concrete steps towards making that dream a reality. Whether it's setting up automatic contributions to your investment accounts, tracking your progress regularly, or seeking guidance from financial advisors, taking action is the key to success. Stay committed to your plan, stays disciplined in your approach, and never loses sight of your ultimate goal of achieving financial freedom. And there you have it, folks. 10 simple yet powerful strategies for going from $2 to millionaire fast. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips on personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Hit that bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Remember, the journey to becoming a millionaire may not be easy, but with dedication, perseverance, and the right strategies, it's absolutely achievable. So go out there, take action, and make your financial dreams a reality.